In a bright kitchen, a tiny paper boat lies flat on calm water while curious hands prepare a pinch of salt and a scoop of patience. The narrator explains that salt makes water denser, which can lift the boat a little higher as if the water becomes a softer trampoline. Slowly sprinkling salt into the glass, the boat starts to rise and laughter fills the room as it glides with surprising ease. This demonstrates buoyancy the easy way. Cooler, denser water supports less weight while the higher density pushes up from beneath. Curious minds are invited to test more boats and discover their own watery rules.